Hello everyone, welcome to the Learn German with Stories. Today's story is about tennis. So we will examine a short story regarding the tennis. We will read the German and English translation together. Let's start. So, Mark treibt viel Sport, aber am meisten mag Tennis. Mark does a lot of sports, but he likes tennis the most. So here the mag means likes. So meisten mean most. So as you understand, it's really close to the English. And treibt, here it says does, but here it says like it makes, treibt, viel Sport. And then dreimal pro Woche geht Mark ins Tennistraining. Mark goes to tennis training 3 times a week. So here, Woche, week, pro Woche, per week. Dreimal, 3 times. Get, which means goes. Ins Tennistraining. Zusammen mit 10 anderen Jungen und Mädchen lernt dort, wie man Tennis spielt. There he learns how to play tennis with 10 other boys and girls. Here, Jungen and Mädchen. So Jungen means boys and Mädchen means girls. Zusammen means together. And then the important word here is dort. Dort means there. Dort. He there learned. So he learns tennis spielen. Yeah, means learning tennis, playing tennis. And the next, Tennis ist einfach. Tennis is simple. So einfach, simple. It's very important word. Es gibt einen Ball, 2 Spieler, ein Feld und ein Netz. There is a ball, 2 players, a court and a net. So here nets mean net, und Feld mean court, and then ball mean ball. So all are same, almost. Schlägt ein Spieler den Ball in das Netz oder nicht in das Feld, gewinnt der Gegner einen Punkt. If a player hits the ball into the net or not into the court, the opponent wins a point. So the important word here is Gegner. Gegner means opponent, opposite one. Gegner. Einen Punkt. A point. So winning a point, einen Punkt gewinnen. So schlägt mean like hit. So hitting, hit the ball. Schlägt den Ball. Spieler, player. Here Spieler mean player. And then, as we said, net also is net. And then it's very clear that you can understand the sentence. And the next is, Tennis ist ein schnelles Spiel. Deshalb liebt Mark es sehr. So here is, tennis is a fast game. So Mark loves it very much. So here the important word is schnelles. Schnelles means fast. Schnelles Spiel, fast game. Deshalb, so, liebt, loves Mark es sehr. Very much. And then, in seiner Freizeit liest Mark Biografien von bekannten Tennisspielern. spielen. In his free time, Mark reads biographies of famous tennis players. Important words means here bekannten. Bekannten means famous. Bekannten Tennisspielern. Bekannten Tennisspielern. Famous tennis players. Tennis players. Freizeit. Free time. Biografien. Biographies. Liest. Here liest means reading. Lesen. Liest. Und dann, er träumt davon, in der Zukunft ein bekannter Tennisspieler zu sein. He dreams of being a famous tennis player in the future. So what are the important words here? Traumen, träumt, dreams, dreaming. Zukunft, Zukunft, future, in der Zukunft, in the future. Ein bekannter, bekannter means famous, a famous tennis players, Tennisspieler, zu sein, to be here. So being, zu sein, to be. So the last, am Wochenende fährt Mark zu Tennisturnieren. On weekends, Mark goes to tennis tournaments. So Tennisturnieren, tennis tournaments. And Wochenende, weekends. Fährt means goes. So riding or driving, whatever, it goes there. Dort spielt er gegen andere junge Tennisspieler. So there he plays against other young tennis players. As you can see here again we see the same words gegen, against, gegen. Dort means there, spielt, plays. Andere means other, andere junge, other young. Tennis players, Tennisspieler. Manchmal gewinnt Mark ein Turnier, aber meistens gewinnt er nicht. Sometimes Mark wins a tournament, but most of the time he doesn't. Gewinnt means win. Manchmal means sometimes. Meisten, most of the time. Nicht, not. Das macht nicht. That's okay. So, doesn't make sense. Das macht nicht. That's okay. Er muss einfach noch mehr üben. So here, he just needs to practice more. Very important word again comes here, üben. Üben means practice. Mehr üben. More practice. Einfach means simple. Basically, he has to do more practice. It's like that. Er muss einfach noch mehr üben. So here, I would like to ask you the questions so then you can answer from the text, please. And please write the comments, the answers. Mit wem lernt Mark, wie man Tennis spielt? Who is Mark learning to play tennis with? So in the first or second text, you can find the answer there. I will do one example for you. But first, let's read the questions all. Wann gewinnt der Gegner einen Punkt? When does the opponent win a point? Warum liebt Mark Tennis? Why does Mark love tennis? Wovon träumt Mark? What does Mark dream about? You know that in the future he would like to be a famous player. So from the text you will find this one and then write it here. Was macht Mark am Wochenende? What does Mark do on the weekend? So, You can just answer the questions and write it in the comment or in the text. Please write all the text together and then just keep it with you and memorize all the important words. I also write you here the important words. You can see viel Sport treiben, to do a lot of sports, am meisten mögen, to like the most, zusammen, together, lernen, to learn, einfach, easy, schlagen, to hit, der Spieler, the player, das Netz, the net, das Feld, the field, der Gegner, the opponent, schnell, fast, deshalb, therefore, die Freizeit, the free time, bekannt, well known, famous, träumen, to dream, in der Zukunft, in the future, das Turnier, the tournament, gegen, against, manchmal, sometimes, meistens, mostly, das macht nichts, it is not a problem, üben, to practice. So thank you so much listening to me. Please like and subscribe. Many thanks. Vielen Dank. Tschüss.